Is the tub and shower surround in your bathroom in need of some help? I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a plan for a new one right after this.
Need a proven go-to solution for your next tile project? Use what the pros use. Prism Ultimate Performance Cement Grout by Custom Building Products is ideal for virtually any tiling project. It offers consistent color without any modeling or shading. Its lightweight formula makes it easy to use and spread. Not only that, it's highly stain resistant, sets in just a few hours, and is available in 40 colors. Find it at the Home Depot. Prism Grout from Custom Building Products. We know grout. Count on custom.
Creating a new tile tub surround is not as difficult as you might think, but there are some important points to consider. Instead of hanging tile on the old existing drywall, you should replace it with cement backer board of equal thickness. Then all the seams between the pieces of backer board and the existing drywall should be taped with fiberglass mesh tape and coated with thinset adhesive to prevent cracking. Once that's dry, the seam should again be coated with a waterproofing compound to keep moisture out of the walls. When you start setting the tiles, remember to work from a level line. Don't just trust that the tub ledge is level. Your wall tiles should also overlap the seams between backer board and drywall slightly so no one sees the transition. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.